In front of me is DOOGEE X97 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate app permissions. Firstly, open Devices settings and scroll down right away to access Privacy section. In it, tap on Permission Manager and tap on one of your device's features that you wish to manage, like Calendar. Over here, tap on one of your apps, in my case Microsoft Launcher, and tap on the best option for you, allow or don't allow. I will go with allow, so when I click and go back, I can see that Microsoft Launcher just gained access to my device's calendar. But you can always open one of your apps over here and tap on See All Permissions at the bottom. Then manage all of them only for chosen app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!